If you have pointed chin, you want to give fullness to your face, because usually because of the pointed chin, this cheekbone here will be curved like this, casting a shadow here. I left the contour we did previously that is pulled towards her nose, which balances the face, slightly shortens it, so it takes off the attention of the pointed chin. And now I'll show you how to apply a blush. Usually I apply blush here so that the eyes pop, because I use a complementary color, but on such face with a pointed chin, you want to give fullness here on the cheeks, that you take the attention off the chin. Ta-da. This is just corrective makeup, don't think about, oh, I have pointed chin. Like, pointed chin is amazing. There's certain cultures that actually worship pointed chin, that worship, for example, Sphinx in Egypt, like such nose. My friend has such nose. When he went to Egypt, they just wanted to marry him there, So yeah, think about all these cultural differences as well. Don't think about, oh my god, my chin is pointed or whatever. I'm just showing you how to balance makeup, so don't be frustrated because of what you hear on YouTube. See? Yeah, here, da-da-da, tap, 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 on the cheeks, round. So these are the apples of the cheeks, making them red, because she has this shirt, she looks like a country girl, like she been climbing in mountains to get some water, and she blushed with red cheeks. Ta-da, you see? All full now. Ciao, ciao.